Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford F-150. Stock number is 18F282A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels and they are wrapped with Hankook tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Ford bed liner in here keeps the bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Four-wheel drive and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.